Make a little interview for my friend. You say you was from Bosnia?
Yeah.
But what you doing in Serbia? You're not in Bosnia. You was.
I don't live in the goddamn war.
The war, yeah. And you get this.
Game over from
You,
my
because
goddamn
you're Christian, you're Muslim.
Yeah.
So you.
I am from Serbia.
Serbia, yeah. But you're Christian.
I don't live.
No, you don't live there. But how it can be like this, though? Is it from the war or?
No.
No.
That's problem.
Problem.
Diabetes. Water. Blood problem.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah.
That's a shot here from the war.
The shot from the war. So you're fighting in the war, Yugoslavia.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I use fighting from the war.
But was you on Bosnia side or Bosnia-Herzegovina? Ukraine, Croatia. But what side you was? On Serbia or Bosnia side?
I am from Bosnia.
Bosnia side. Okay, you're fighting and kill Serbia though.
No,
okay.
I kill goddamn Muslim.
You kill what? You killed
Muslim.
You killed the Muslim?
Yeah.
Ah, you was Bosnian Serb.
I am Serb from Bosnia.
Serb from Bosnia. Okay, so you kill the Bosnian Muslim. Ah, like this. Okay. Ja. And I'm Christian also. Okay, för jag hörde det här Srebrenica is they kill many people there.
I don't going from the Srebrenica.
Ah, okay.
I go away from the Tuzla, Benkovac. Oh, big war, but no.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I mean, it was nice to meet you. Okay, bye.